Tired muscles? Introducing the ultimate solution for quick recovery and relaxation, massage guns. In just 20 seconds, experience the power of percussive therapy, right at your fingertips. With customizable attachments, target specific areas for deep tissue relief or gentle relaxation. Whether you're an athlete seeking recovery or someone in need of everyday relief, massage guns deliver. Break free from discomfort, increase circulation, and rejuvenate your body with every use. Don't let tension hold you back. Unlock your potential with the power of massage guns. Discover a world of wellness and recovery with massage guns. Your body deserves it. Introducing the perfect companion for your beverages, the Smart Mug and Travel Mug. In just 1 minute, discover the ultimate way to enjoy your drinks, whether at home or on the go. With our Smart Mug, experience the future of sipping. Temperature control at your fingertips, ensuring your drink stays hot or cold, just the way you like it. Plus, the built-in smart features, like notifications and custom presets, make it effortless to enjoy your favorite beverages with precision. And for those always on the move, our travel mug is a must-have. Its sleek design keeps your drink secure and at the perfect temperature, no matter where you're headed. Enjoy your coffee, tea, or any drink of choice, even during your daily commute, without worrying about spills or lukewarm sips. Both the Smart Mug and Travel Mug come with convenient charging bases, ensuring they're always ready for your next adventure. Elevate your beverage experience with our Smart Mug and Travel Mug. Breathe in the freshness of clean air right in your home with our advanced home air purifier. In just 25 seconds, experience the difference as our purifier eliminates pollutants and allergens. Its cutting-edge filters trap dust, pet dander, smoke, and even microscopic particles, ensuring you breathe only the purest air. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and hello to a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or office, our air purifier creates a haven of freshness wherever you need it most. Experience peace of mind with our sleek, modern design that seamlessly blends with your home decor. Enhance your well-being with our home air purifier. Craving a perfect cup of espresso? Introducing the Nano Espresso Maker. In just 18 seconds, enjoy a rich, flavorful espresso shot anytime, anywhere. Compact and portable, it fits in your bag, ready to brew your favorite coffee on the go. From the first sip to the last drop, experience cafe-quality espresso in the palm of your hand. Tired of misplacing your valuables? Introducing the Bluetooth Item Locator. In just 18 seconds, find your keys, wallet, or any item with ease. Simply connect the locator to your phone via Bluetooth and track your belongings in seconds. No more wasted time searching. The app guides you with precise location and a handy alert. Stay organized and regain peace of mind with the Bluetooth Item Locator. Bluetooth Item Locator. Find what matters most, effortlessly.